everyone. My name is Peter. I live in Manchester, England.
And this is my little sister Anna. She is 4 years old. She loves her bear. Today is a big day. We live in Manchester. It is a beautiful city in England.
Today is my first day at my new school. I feel a little nervous inside. Dad walks with me to school. The streets in Manchester are wet from rain. This is my dad and my mum. They are very kind and loving.
Be kind and friendly. You will make new friends.
I sit down at my desk. Everyone knows each other. I do not know anyone. I walk into school alone. Other children look at me. I feel very shy. At lunchtime, I sit alone. All the other children laugh and play together. I try to say hello, but they run away to play. My heart feels very sad.
In art class, the teacher asks us to draw our friends. I have no friends to draw.
Peter, why are you sitting all by yourself?
I do not have any friends here, Miss Brown.
My teacher, Miss Brown, sees me. She kneels down and asks,
Are you okay, Peter?
It starts to rain. I sit under a tree, alone. I miss my mum and dad so much.
I look out the window at the grey Manchester sky. I think about my old school. I look out the window at the grey Manchester sky. I think about my old school. I take a deep breath. I remember what Dad said. I must be brave and kind. I feel scared. Making friends is very hard. What can I do to find a friend?
Of course, Peter. I have a good idea for you.
I walk up to Miss Brown. Miss Brown, can you please help me?
Sam and I play football in the playground. We laugh together. It is so much fun.
We eat lunch together. Sam tells me funny jokes. I start to feel much better now.
I jump and hug Dad very tight. He lifts me up. I am so happy today.
School finishes!
I run out of the gate. Dad is waiting there for me.
You are my new best friend, Peter. I feel so happy.
How was your day, Peter?
I made a new friend. In art class, I draw me and Sam playing football. Miss Brown loves my picture. Mum opens the door.
Welcome back. How was school?
I tell Mum and Anna my whole story.
Anna listens carefully with her big brown eyes.
We walk home together. I tell Dad all about Sam
Oh, really?
and our football game today. That sounds great, Peter.
That sounds great, Peter.
Mum hugs me tightly. The whole family is together and happy. I feel so loved. Yay, Peter! I am so proud of you.
I learned that being kind and brave helps you make new friends every time.
What did you learn today, Peter? I think carefully before I answer him.
That is a beautiful lesson, Peter. We are so proud of you. That is a beautiful lesson, Peter. We are so proud of you.
The next morning, I wake up early. I feel happy and excited. Today is a great day. Bear, you must be brave at school too.
I eat my breakfast fast. Mum gives me orange juice. Thank you, Mum. I run to school. The sky is blue today. Manchester looks beautiful in the morning sun.
I see Sam at the school gate. He waves and smiles.
Good morning, Peter.
Now let us learn 6 new English words from today's Learn 6 New English Words from today's story. Word number 1.
Word 2, brave. Brave means you do something even when you feel scared inside.
Word 4. Playground. A playground is the outdoor area at school where children play games.
Word 3, friendly. Friendly means you are kind and nice and easy to talk to.
Let us remember today's story together. It was Peter's first day at his new school in Manchester.
Word 4. Playground. A playground is the outdoor area at school where children play games.
Words 5 and 6, introduce and friend. To introduce means to meet someone new. A friend is someone you like and trust.
Peter felt nervous and alone at first. He sat by himself and had no friends to play with. But Peter was brave. He asked for help. He met Sam, and they became best friends.
Thank you so much for watching today's story with me. You did a great job learning English. Thank you so much for watching today's story with me. You did a great job learning English. And please subscribe to GlowTots Nursery Rhymes. Press the bell so you never miss a story.
If you enjoyed this story, please press the like button now. It helps us so much.
Remember, if you are kind and brave, you can always make new friends. Well done, Peter.